Yes, guys, I'm here again with an epic loyalty test for the world to see what is going on in the world. Okay, so will his girlfriend cheat for a chance to be famous? Ping! Red flag right there. Okay, yes. Guys, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Big up every subscriber right now. You understand? The loyal subscribers. Subscribers who never cheat yet. Even the one that cheat, subscribe same way. Thank you very much. Okay, let's get right into it
Cash
right
App,
now.
Zelle, direct deposit, how do you want it?
I mean, I'd prefer Cash App, probably.
Perfect.
To set up this audition, we rented out a beautiful house in the heart of Atlanta. And to make it more realistic, we had Dawn as our security guard since Naya has never actually met him. Big auditions like this usually have a professional look, so we set up lighting equipment all around the house to give it that effect. So the only thing that we needed to do now was convince Rome's girlfriend to show up. Which will be a no-brainer for her because she wants to be famous. And this is the perfect opportunity. So in order to do it, it was simple. We sent a casting call to Rome, Rome sent it to Naya, and Naya agreed. That's simple. Usually before these tests, I like to set up 5 to 10 hours before so we have the right camera locations and everything is set up as planned. However, Gucci ends up pulling up 3 hours later because he had something to handle with a girl, I guess. At this point, we had about 2 hours before the test, so I went ahead and gave him the rundown on how everything was supposed to go.
So this girl right here, she's actually
Gucci will get.
aspiring actress, and she wants to become famous and be in a position like you.
It's crazy this happened because I'm actually looking for one girls in my show.
Oh shit. So let's just say hypothetically she passes the test. Will she be able to actually be on your show?
She's definitely gonna be on a Gucci show.
Oh shit. Are you cool with that? Gucci said if this girl actually passes the test, she will literally
Hey, the man asks. The other guy say, "Are you cool with that?" Jano, I sure know say that guy don't even answer, bro. Trust me, because he's not here for that.
have an opportunity to really be on his own reality show, which changes the whole dynamics to this test because if she literally passes, she will actually have a chance to really become famous.
Will be on the
Mind
show
you guys, we are all rooting for her at this point. This can literally be a life-changing opportunity for her. All she has to do is be loyal, and everything that she's worked so.
Bro, she's not gonna be loyal, bro. Because by this title, bro, will his girlfriend cheat for a chance to be famous, bro? Like, ping, famous. Red flag. Red flag, bro. Red flag. She will, I hope, no, hey. She will do anything just to get famous, guys. Comment and you see. Comment if I'm talking facts, bro. She will do anything just to get famous, bro.
For these past 10 years will be coming true.
Damn, gotta really help her out. You know what I'm saying? She's kind of going through it right now, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna turn her up. We're gonna turn her up.
Now that everything was set up and ready to go, we let Rome know that it's okay to call Naya to let her know that he's on his way to pick her up for the audition.
Hold on. Her name is Naya. Liar. Okay, red flag again.
Hello.
Hey baby, what's happening? What you want?
Nothing, just getting ready.
All right, well listen, I'm at the crib right now. I talked to the people, they said you need to be at the audition by like around 9. So get ready, I'm finna come pick you up.
Okay, and how long is it gonna take?
They ain't really say, but they just said be there by 9. They're gonna shoot you and we're gonna get everything together.
Alright, I'm almost done. So this time you outside.
Alright, that's about it, I'm on my way.
Okay.
All right.
So in about an hour, Rome will be back here to drop off Naya, and this test will begin. So without further ado, let's catch us a soulless fucking cheater.
People subscribe, you understand, and do subscribe to this channel as well. One code music, okay? Big up all of the subscribers then, okay? We're here to catching these cheaters now.
Upon Naya's arrival began phase 1 of this loyalty test. She was greeted by Quan, who introduced her to Gucci. Gucci greeted her and made her feel comfortable with this audition. They also made her sign NDAs. So Quan's job is to see how far she would go to get this role, and would she leave her boyfriend for it.
And this last one right here.
Wait, hold on. Before you sign that, do you know who this is?
I mean, yeah, Gucci.
Where do you know him from, like?
I mean, Twitter, OnlyFans, his reality show, of course. I mean,
Guys, you just hear she said OnlyFans? See it? Red flag, bro. Red, bro. Why would you say OnlyFans right there, bro? Like, these guys don't even hear.
what else?
Okay, so my thing is this. Do you believe he can take it to the next level? Because I know he can. But do you believe that he can take it to the next level?
Hell yeah, that's why I'm here.
So with that being said, sign that paper and let's get to work. But wait, are you willing to do whatever to make your dream come true?
I want to be here with her.
All right, let's get it done.
She's the one. She's definitely the one for the reality TV show. I make stars overnight. You know what I'm saying?
I don't see it happen. I don't see it happen.
Weird, bro.
I'm pretty much, you know what I'm saying, known for reality.
I done seen girls from the show.
Everything I do is TV, you know.
And look, you ain't tell her. I done seen girls from the show get their own show and do their own thing and feature him on it.
I seen some of them on OnlyFans too.
Is that something that you're interested in?
Bro, why
Like having
she
your own?
keep saying OnlyFans, bro? Like, girl, you're on the OnlyFans, bro. Red flag. Red flag, bro.
Show, or you just want to be a star on somebody else's show?
I mean, I definitely want my own show at some point, but it's a great way to start out with Gucci.
Yeah, because like I say, my business partner here, you know, he has a blueprint for all of that. And I just feel like,
Bro, the way how this girl like really want to get famous, bro, I know she's on the OnlyFans. By saying it every time, she's on it, bro. Like she willing to do anything just to get famous, guys.
if this is what you want to do, you got to be all in.
Like I said before, I will be here.
All out.
Well, I'm definitely all in.
Gucci said all
She's
out.
definitely the one.
Nah, I think so.
Definitely the one.
So,
Yeah,
So you
what?
think you ready? Have you ever been recorded before?
I mean, what you mean?
Like
On the band recording?
Bro, this is the second time this girl has brought up an OnlyFans.
See it? Bro, like them know, bro. Not even the second, bro. Third time, bro. Third time. Red flag. That red up.
Luckily, Quan did us all a favor and asked her about it.
shit. I mean, everything.
Wait, hold on. Why you OnlyFans record? Why you say that?
I mean, you know, that's the craze right now. Everybody doing band. I do this shit, so that was it. But
I mean, have you ever thought about making OnlyFans?
okay, I got a question. Is that camera on?
Yes. She asked about the camera. Red flag. Guys, comment red flag for this lady, please. Red flag.
Nah, not right now. But I only cut it on when you're ready. Just to make you comfortable, so
Bro, what the
you
camera
let us know
have
when
to
you're ready, we'll cut it
do?
on.
But yeah,
Come like a OnlyFans you want the right now. Hear me? If hey, camera on.
You can say anything. You can tell us everything. We ain't gonna tell nobody.
Yeah, between us.
well, I do have an OnlyFans.
This bitch is a fucking.
Me know say she gonna say that, bro. You notice me look way? Me look away. This is my first time watching this video, bro. I look away, bro. I know she going to say something stupid. You understand? This female, you have a lot of good female out there, but this one making it bad for the rest of female in the world, Chargy. You understand? Like, bro, Jesus.
So this was a big shock to all of us because in the interview, Rome mentioned to us that she said that she wanted to start an OnlyFans.
I knew it. I fucking knew this bitch was lying.
Bro, you don't know already, Chargy. All you come like a red flag too. That's what I say. Yeah, man.
But Rome told her that he was not comfortable with it.
Starting the OnlyFans, and you know, I told her straight up, I wasn't with it. I don't want to see her out there like that, you know.
So she's been secretly hiding an OnlyFans from him this whole time. And now I see why she asked if that camera was on.
It hasn't been that long. Like 7 months, for sure.
Are you consistent on it?
Not
Because
really.
he needs somebody that's consistent. Why are you not
I
consistent?
could make you a star overnight.
That's what I'm saying. Why are you not consistent on it?
I mean, I gotta make it. And he don't want me to have it.
You got worse.
So he's hindering you from your goal, right?
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah.
I can say that, or is it true?
Hey, Gucci right there. He keep doing this, bro. Because he know that's a big red flag right there. She's already failed, bro.
And like I say,
That's all you need.
he's doing what you want to do. He's doing what you want to do. So you should leave that situation alone.
And chase the bag.
So we still decided to continue the loyalty test because once again, she is auditioning for a reality show. So you gotta give her the benefit of the doubt because you never know. She might be doing all of this just for the audition to secure her spot. I already had in mind that she was gonna act like this. So to see if she would really cheat, we were gonna have Gucci actually ask her to go on a date.
Bro, if you have a girl, bro, a goat brain you have or some sheep brain or rat brain, Chargy. You understand? Bro, she already cheating, bro. What you mean if she's cheat, bro? Guys, comment what you think. Guys, please follow me. You understand? On Instagram. You understand? Yes. And do subscribe right now. Ding! You see me? Yes. Run up the subscribe, guys. Once your heart clean like my white shirt, or cleaner than this white shirt, you see me? Run up the subscribe.
I just want to know how ready you are to be, you know what I'm saying, on reality TV. I'm saying this is 24/7 entertainment. You're gonna be on camera pretty much all through the day and night. Are you ready for that?
All day and night. If she say yes, she ready, red flag again.
I'm definitely ready.
Jesus Christ, she are definitely in it. You couldn't say yes alone. Why could you never say yes alone? You are definitely yes. Eh?
See me?
Jesus.
Can you give me 360? Can I see? Can I see you?
She got 360. Red flag again.
Hey.
I definitely think she's the one.
That's enough. That's enough right there, bro.
It's definitely enough.
That's enough.
In order to get Gucci to ask Naya on a date, we had to get him and her alone. So we had Quan make an excuse to leave.
Oh, I'm saying, even though you have a
Yo,
I'll be
you
right
have to
back.
have
I'm
an art watching these stuff, bro.
Okay, all right. Let's see, bro. We're gonna chop it up. Let's see you do this thing. All right, but let's start it. Let's get started. Hope you're not shy with being on camera.
No, I'm loosening up. I'm not shy.
It's so good.
Bro, how she to be shy when she's a only fan? Eh? You feel a fan will blow in room? You feel a fan that blow inside of your room, or it is AC fan? She is the only fan, bro.
If you guys know Gucci, Gucci is an expert at seducing women. So him asking her on a date was simple. But the builder before he popped off the question came with a lot of small talk. So I'm gonna skip that for you guys. But right before he popped the big question, he suddenly had to walk out because he had something important to handle in the middle of the test.
Can you like,
I
can
go
you like
cheat,
find
man,
it
just say my
right
busy.
now, real quick. If you need anything, just you know what I'm saying, just let me know.
But what happens when Gucci walks away, you will never believe.
How I go on now? Hey guys, you see what I go on? Let us see what is going to happen.
So what's she doing right here?
Yeah, what you do? Eh? Watch out, mama, check the camera. Why she's checking the camera, bro? Something not right. She's snooping around, guys. Hey, somebody call Snoop Dogg. Bro, the girl is a thief, bro. Bro, a thief. The girl is a thief.
Bro, while waiting for Gucci to come back, tell me why this girl gets up, starts snooping around the house, going through drawers, and she ends up stealing my wallet. Of course, she probably thought it was Gucci's, but still, like, you're a thief and a cheater, and you lied about having OnlyFans?
You see? You see? Bro, the video is not even finished, bro. You're a thief and you're a cheater, bro. Like, bro. And you depend on OnlyFans. Fake.
Bro, at this point, bro, I'm shocked, bro. Like, what?
Bro, trust me. Not even if I touch the light wire, bro. You understand? Or put my finger in a socket, it would not shock. Like, oh, I'm shocked right now. I'm shocked up. You understand? Not shocked down. I'm shocked up. Guys,
Your purpose.
subscribe. Run up the subscribe now. Run it up, guys. Comment red flag because this girl is a red flag already.
I mean, you're a 4K and I'm gonna get my wallet back after the test is over.
4K?
But, like,
Choppy, me have her on 20K. You understand? Yes. See her out of my tree. So
just let the test go on, man. At this point, you guys, Naya is the first ever soulless thief on my channel. However, this test is far from over because we still have to see if Naya will agree to go on a date with Gucci.
She's
She be stealing?
And thieving?
Bro, I can't believe she just walked in there and took my car. But finally, after some time, Gucci finished up what he had to do, and he finally went back in to finish his test. So without further ado, let's catch us a soulless fucking cheater.
Yeah, I just had to take a leak real quick, you know what I'm saying? Let's get back to the
everything I love.
you know?
I catch this cheating, I'm crashing the out.
Bro, crash her, bro. But you already crashed, bro, because you saw her live in your 10K eyes. You understand? See, she is stealing right there. What more do you want to see, bro?
Shit, you ain't gotta tell me twice. Must have forgot, you know what I'm saying? So, are you willing to, because in my show, you know what I'm saying, it's a love show. I want to know, like, you 100% willing to give you 100%.
Bro, look how her hands is on the guy, bro. Shit.
To me, you know what I'm saying, into the show. So you could be a star, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, red flag, bro. Red flag. Red up.
I mean, I'm definitely trying to go over and beyond.
Why you touch up the guy like that?
I've been trying to be famous for a long
Why you're
time.
so close?
So like a lot of stuff been in my way. I've been bullshitting, I've been playing. Like I said, I got a kind of in the way too.
Damn.
Ooh.
Why you settling for that when
Man,
you could be
cut
up there, you know what I'm saying? The women team, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, I thought I would love, but
Yo, this,
You chase the bag. And also, you know what I'm
No,
saying?
bro. Them thing are
I
hurt.
come with a lot.
These stuff is hurt when you already like your mind telling you this female is cheating or this guy is cheating or someone you love is cheating, right? So it hurt when you like see it in person. Like you see it. It really hurt bad, bro. Guys, subscribe. Subscribe, guys.
You know what I'm saying? Just a bag. I got a lot to offer you, you know what I'm saying?
so how big of a bag can I get you?
Shit, depends on how much you could take.
I like the sound of that. But any more questions?
Yeah, what type of woman are you?
I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually really confident. You know, I stand out. The rest of the be around me, so.
Are you competitive? Are you the jealous type, you know?
Definitely competitive. I don't know about jealous. Because I look like this and they look like that, so what they got to do with me?
So let's say in a dating show, let's say like, you know, I ended up picking two girls, are you willing to be in a polygamy relationship?
Yeah, I can do that. I can definitely do that.
You like girls too?
I will be.
I like that.
I don't play it in the field.
Yo, I'm not the one testing out this female, but I'm sweating, bro. Yo, bro, trust me. You have to have a strong heart watching these stuff, bro. Trust me.
I like that. I like that.
No, I definitely don't mind it. I definitely don't. I mean, especially if that's what you want. I'm here for it. You, right?
100%.
I told you, I'm here. I'm trying. Trying to do this for real.
It's looking like you definitely, you know what I'm saying, that's the last pick on my show. You know what I'm saying? We definitely should be seeing each other very soon, you know?
How soon?
As a how soon you want it to be. Like tonight.
Okay. I don't really know what time.
I mean, as long as your boyfriend not gonna be in the way.
That green ass nigga. I can do it.
You green for real? Like, you could.
Green bean green.
Like, how green? Like, he could order some. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little hungry. Like, he could order some food.
I mean, yeah. He give me whatever the fuck I asked for, so why
Yo,
not?
call him right now. he like, yo, call that green ass nigga right now. Let's see.
Da da dee.
Tell him
Da da da. Da da dee. Da da da. God save these ladies. You understand? I know not every lady stay this way. You understand? But da da dee. Voila. Oh my God. Who she's going to call, bro? Who you're going to call? Your man to tell him that Bro, the girl are disrespectful. You's a disrespectful girl. You's a disrespectful cheater. You's a disrespectful stealer. Eh? And a disrespectful OnlyFans. You understand? Who she's going to call?
Man, this man.
So he didn't answer.
Too, man, like for real, like.
Just like, what the fuck
This is what I call it.
See, fuck that, you know what I'm saying? He's not worried about you, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you definitely should, you know what I'm saying? See what's right in front of you. Just
I see a bag in front of me, so.
You see a bag.
My eyes looking real good.
you know what I'm saying?
So I really got the last slide.
I feel I look a squirrel.
I feel like you have everything to offer. Am I picking the wrong girl? Is anything I didn't know?
No, I didn't say that. I just asked a question. That's it. That's all. I just want to make sure.
Very good, very good.
Okay, so when do I get information for like filming and all that stuff?
So my assistant will definitely be, you know what I'm saying, in touch with you more about that. You know, honestly, like, are you ready for real? Because this is about to go viral overnight, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, she ready already,
You're going to be doing a
She
whole
ready
lot
for
of things.
something else, not for the camera.
It's going to be like, you're going to be able to keep up.
I can keep up with a lot of things. You definitely want to. That's not a problem.
You sure, like, you know what I'm saying, like the lifestyle not going to be too crazy? Like,
I am the lifestyle. I'm lit, for real. Real life.
Oh, you know.
Is
that your boyfriend?
That's
Hell yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Hello.
Yeah, what's going on?
Hey baby, I was just calling because I'm kind of hungry and they don't have nothing here. So can you send me some money for some pizza?
I can't believe Gucci just did that. Me personally, that is disrespectful.
Yeah, bro, Gucci. Bro, that not even disrespectful, bro. I not even know if it's bro. That disrespectful and it not disrespectful, bro. Because, yo, guys, just come in, bro. Just my brain. Like, you have to restart, bro. You haven't played video.
Send you some money for some pizza, huh? That's what you want.
Gucci, why you touch the female right there, bro, when you know it's a loyalty test? Like, you know what you're doing, bro. Like, do not touch her like that, bro. I understand still. Maybe the guy don't want Gucci to touch her. But Gucci, don't touch her, bro. Just ask her for a date. Yes, boom, red flag. Go out there. Hey, you're cheating. Bye, bitch. Go ahead. This, that. Go about, you see me? I saw things to work out. Yes. So, what going on now? What is going on now?
Hey, okay, listen. Hey, dig this, right? Who the think you playing with?
Huh?
Yeah, bro. See that get grimy right there, so now. Look on Gucci face.
Nah. On some real shit. Who the you lost your rabbit ass mind? Who the playing
Why
with?
you acting like that? What you tripping for? It's just pizza.
Listen, hey. You can't talk and listen at the same time. Who you think you fucking you lost your typing ass?
Whoa, hold the fuck up. Who the fuck are you talking to like that? You tripping the
Hey, Gucci, rate this female, bro. And I'm telling you, after this finish, Gucci going to have this female at his crib. You understand? Why Gucci touching up the female like that, bro?
Who the fuck I'm on the phone with? I'm talking
Dog, I know.
Bro, bye. I do not know.
Man, you can't trust these man.
Can't trust
Shit
them,
crazy,
charge it.
Look, bro, it's all right, bro. Relax, bro. You'll find a better, bro. You need to be dealing with this bullshit, bro.
I ain't gonna deal with this shit, man. This shit is bullshit, man. Look at this.
Bro, you know, say, it's not really a better girl. It's just the female that some of these guys want, bro. Comment if you think I'm capping, bro. I'm not capping, Chargy. Just subscribe and don't cap. Okay? Yes, back to what I'm saying. People, it's some of these female that these guys want, bro. Like you see a female like that, dressed like that, bro. You know she's an OnlyFan. You understand? Outside, showing other guys her parts. You feel like checking parts, my girl. Put on clothes. You understand? Yeah.
Man, Man, I'm ready to confront him, man.
Don't waste your energy on it, bro. Let's just wrap this up. Let's go confront him.
Shit, I'm ready with it. Let's do it.
We're ready now.
Before we expose this soulless cheater,
Both
I want to
we
give
are
you guys
gonna
a quick update on the guy whose car we hit in the beginning of the test. As you guys can see, he just got his $750 on Cash App, and he was able to rewrap his car and fix the bumper. Also, 78 other people just made their $750 today. Don't miss out. Click the link in my description right now.
You know we are going there right now. Oh, there we are confront that.
You trifling ass bitch.
See how
You's a trifling ass. You know that? You's a mother trifling ass. This what you doing? I'm out here spending money on.
Bro, first thing, she's gonna talk back like that. Just leave, bro. Just say, hey, yo, bitch, yo, you're cheating, yo, you're cheating. Just leave after that. You understand? Just leave, bro.
I'm spending money on chicks. I'm taking you all around the fucking world. I'm paying money and shit like that. You not balling, baby. I got it like that. I really got it like that. I'm having real emotion like that, baby. You a lame ass bitch.
At this point, you guys, things started to get out of control. Not only was he mad at his girlfriend for cheating, he was mad at Gucci for taking it as far as he did. Rome felt like Gucci disrespected him by making his girlfriend call him to order food while he knew he was watching the test. I can kind of see where he's coming from. But at the end of the day, guys, there were still...
Hey boy, Gucci going like him tough, you know. Gucci hockey girl brain, you know. Gucci code up the girl brain, bro. Gucci code her up.
bigger things to handle because, mind you, this girl still has my wallet in her purse. So tell me if I'm wrong, guys. Was I wrong for asking her to please hand me my shit back?
Bro, first you're wrong. Because you cannot say, hand me my card, please. Take out, please. Bitch, girl, hand me my card. Now. Take out, please, bro. Why you keep saying please? Hey, woman, swing cross my card. Quick and fast. So
but you's a lame like fuck. But I told you, bro, don't do too motherfucking much, bro. And you're doing too much.
Hey, chill out, chill out.
Nah, like you want to do
chill
too
out,
much,
bro. Chill out, bro. Tell them that you wanted to see. Don't be.
Nah, it ain't about all that, bro. I told you, bro, don't do too fucking much, but you doing too fucking much, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because if I go to the truck, I'm gonna clear all this shit out, bro.
I'm gonna clear her out first. You know what I'm saying?
The man say I'ma clear her out first. A joking thing. A what?
You feel, bro? That's how you feel, bro? I came to you like a man. I told you do me a little motherfucking favor. You doing shit like that? And that bitch, man. Man, you can have each other, man. Bro, you lame as hell. What? Baby, you know I'm selling records out here, right? You know I'm selling records out here, right?
Hold on, let me explain. Let me say something.
What you talking about?
Can I explain? Do you understand what's going on right now?
No, I don't.
Basically, this whole thing was a setup to see if you would cheat on him for an opportunity to be famous.
Okay.
And as you can see, you basically failed.
Yo, she look like a mongoose, bro. Look on her. Okay. Up to now, man. Oh man, you do not fail. You basically fail.
And I just want to let you know that you'll never have a chance to collab with Gucci a day in your life. And we also seen you steal my shit on camera. Can I please get my shit?
Get out here, bro.
She's stealing. Watch your pockets. Watch your wallets. She's stealing. She broke.
Hey, everybody be quiet. Seriously, be quiet, real quick.
Oh.
Genuinely,
I don't trust him,
all there's
man.
cameras set up all around the house. I saw you take my shit. You are not going to be able to
Crazy, man.
You're not going to be able to leave this house.
Man, these bitches is crazy,
You're not
bro.
going to be able to leave this
I'm spending money on these bitches. She can't afford to pay attention. You understand that?
No. Hey,
I say, mama, no, leave. Hey, here I know.
be quiet. At this point, I didn't even care about my wallet. If I wanted to, I could cancel my cards, I could do a lot to hide my information, and I could get a new wallet. However, I was more concerned about my safety and my team's safety, especially with us not even having a real security guard on standby. Hold on.
I'm gonna get leave, right?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are
you doing? Just give me my shit. Give me my shit.
Man, she ain't gonna do shit. She ain't really about that.
Credit card?
She ain't really about that.
Credit card? Credit card. My credit card. That's my debit card. That's my debit card.
See, I don't got shit, nigga. I don't got a bitch ass thing in short. Back the but you ain't gonna get stabbed tonight.
That's lame as hell, bro.
Your lame green
And put your weapon. Man, I thought you would cut like that.
Bitch, put it down. Bitch, put it down. Make me put it down. Make me put it down. Yeah. Sit that nigga. Yeah. Sit that nigga.
Damn, you really gonna stab like that, though? Bro, why you did? You gonna stab a nigga? You motherfucking still, you gonna stab a nigga, bro? What kind of lame ass shit is that? Like that, though, bro. What the wrong with you? Why you can't fuck these bitches, man? What kind of shit is that? Way too much, bro.
Yes, you guys, I did end up getting stabbed in this clip. Try to grab her arm and get the knife out of her hand, but she literally swings her arm higher than I could grab it and she punctures me in the back. Immediately after I was punctured in the back, everything started spiraling out of control. Quan grabs me, he takes me to the car to make sure I'm safe and good. I'm literally in the back seat bleeding at this point, bro. From this point on, I didn't know what was going on. I was still in shock because I just got stabbed and everything was going out of control.
What man I get? Hey, do not put your hand on a female. Jesus Christ. Guys, subscribe. If she's a red flag, subscribe, guys. You understand? Yes. If she's a red flag, subscribe.
You the one that did it. You the one that did it. Dumbass. Oh, man. You ain't never. Oh, yeah. You have shit. Now, see what this dumbass shit, bro. No, bro, shawty tripping, bro. Hey, we gotta take her to the hospital, bro.
Bro, she literally do not care, bro. She not even want to come out, bro. Like, this thing is the devil herself.
Bro, you might get her ass up. You gotta go, yo. You gotta do
You guys, this situation took place 2 months ago and I've healed very well since the situation. Naya, to you, I just want to say that I'm not mad at you for what you did. I genuinely wanted to see you make it one day. You literally had the opportunity to achieve all of your dreams, but all you had to do was be loyal. All I want to say is, man, please like the video because we really need security. Thank you guys.
Pang! Guys, hear what is going on. This is the guy Soulless J. You understand? You can go over there and subscribe to his channel. But first, subscribe to my channel. Right here, Silk Reacts. Okay, yes guys, she's a cheater. You understand? And a thief. She's on the OnlyFans. Thank you very much for watching out this video. You reach the end of the video, guys. Follow me on this other channel, one called Music. Okay, big respect. Jesus Christ, this girl is fake. You understand? Call fake. Boop, 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 boop. Fake. Is this girl fake? Even fake will tell you this female is fakes. You understand? But guys, I'm out. Big up on yourself.